Once upon a time, in a small village lived a fellow named Leo. He was 22 years old. He had green eyes and hazel hair. He was tall and handsome. His family was very poor, but they were happy. They lived in a small old house and loved each other very much. Leo liked to read books. He dreamt of a better life. One day, he went to the village market. There, he met a very beautiful girl named Arya. She had golden, wavy hair, blue eyes, and a nice smile. Arya came from a rich family. Her parents owned a big, beautiful house and many lands. So, Leo and Arya became true friends. They spent much time together. They talked a lot and laughed. They liked to walk by the local river and in the fields nearby their village. They liked to watch the sunsets together. Arya shared her hopes with Leo, and Leo told Arya about his dreams. They felt very close to each other. One day, Leo said to Arya, "I love you, Arya. Will you marry me?" Arya was very happy. She agreed to Leo's proposal and said that she loved him too. They hugged and started dreaming about their future together. But unfortunately, there was a problem. Arya's parents didn't like Leo. They thought he was not good enough for their daughter as he was very poor. Arya's father said, "Arya, you cannot marry Leo. He is not from a rich family." Arya's mother agreed. "Yes, it's better for you to find someone from a rich family." Arya was very sad. She loved Leo and didn't want to leave him. She wanted to be with him. She even couldn't imagine her life without him. So she told her parents, "I love Leo. He is kind, clever, and good-natured." Money is not important, but Arya's parents did not want to listen to her. They said, "If you marry Leo, we will not support you." Leo knew about the problem. He was also very upset. He loved Arya, but he did not want to cause problems for her. So he told Arya, "Maybe it is better if we do not marry. I do not want to make your life difficult." "No, Leo," said Arya, "I will always love you. You are the love of my life. I am sure we will find a way." Days passed, and Arya tried to convince her parents, but they did not change their minds. Leo's family also knew about the problem, and they were worried about their beloved son Leo. His mother said, "Leo, we love you. We want you to be happy, but maybe it is better to let Arya go." Leo was very sad. He thought a lot. But he did not know what to do. He loved Arya more than his life, but he did not want to hurt her. One day, he decided to talk to Arya. He said, "Arya, you mean the world to me. I love you very much, but I think it is better if we do not marry. Your parents will never accept me. I do not want to make your life hard." Arya was heartbroken. She said, "Leo, I cannot live without you, but I understand. I will always love you." They hugged and cried together. They believed their love was strong, but the world was against them. Leo and Arya decided to stay friends. They promised to support each other always, but their hearts were broken. They knew they could never be together. Leo continued to live with his family. He worked hard and helped them in everything. Arya also continued her life, but she always remembered Leo. Arya's parents even sent her to study abroad. They hoped that she would forget about the poor fellow. But years passed, and Leo and Arya still loved each other. They never forgot their love. They knew that sometimes love is not enough to be happy. They learned that life can be hard, but they always kept their love in their hearts. Leo was very hardworking. He worked in the village. He helped his family and neighbors. He was kind to everyone. People in the village loved him. They knew he had a good heart. Leo read a lot. He read all the books in the village library. He liked to learn. In 2 years, he entered the university in the city. He studied hard. During the day, he studied at the university, and in the evenings and at nights, he worked loading the trucks. Leo had to earn for living. He also gave money to his parents. He did his best to help them. Arya also studied hard. She lived abroad, far from home. But she always remembered Leo. She was kind and fair to everyone. One day, Arya's mother became very sick. Arya was very worried. That's why she decided to come back home for some time. When she returned home, she took care of her mother day and night. She brought all necessary medicine from abroad. She prayed for her to get better. Leo heard about Arya's mother. He wanted to help and support Arya in times of trouble. He went from the city to see Arya. He said, "Arya, I am sorry to hear about your mother. How can I help you?" Arya was touched by Leo's kindness. She said, "Thank you, Leo. Your support means a lot to me." Leo often visited Arya. He tried to help and support her. Arya's mother slowly got better and better, and Arya was very grateful for Leo's support. She said, "Leo, you have a big heart. Thank you for helping me in hard times." Leo smiled and said, "Arya, I will always be here for you, and I will always love you." Leo and Arya spent more time together. They talked about their life, hopes, and dreams. They knew they still loved each other. But they also knew that Arya's parents would never accept their love. They decided to stay friends and support each other. In a few months, Arya's mother got much better. So, Arya decided to go abroad to finish her studying. She told Leo, "I have to leave, but I will write you." Leo was sad, but he understood everything. He said, "I will miss you, Arya. Please take care." Arya hugged Leo and said, "I will miss you too. I will finish my studying and return home." Arya went abroad, and Leo went to the city to continue his studying at the university too. He studied hard and learned many new things. He also worked to earn for living. He wrote letters to Arya. He told her about his life in the city. Arya wrote back to Leo. She told him about her life abroad. They shared their thoughts and feelings through letters. Time passed, and Leo graduated from the university, got a good job, and became successful in his work. He saved money and helped his family a lot. But he never forgot Arya. Leo still loved her and thought about her every day and night. Arya also thought about Leo. She missed him, but was happy to hear about his success. One day, Leo decided to visit Arya abroad. He wanted to see her. He went to her apartment and knocked on the door. Arya opened the door and was very surprised to see Leo. She said, "Leo, you came. How did you know my address?" Leo smiled and said, "Yes, Arya, I missed you. I got your letters, and there was your address on the envelope." They talked for a long time. Leo told Arya about his life in the city. Arya told Leo about her life abroad. They laughed and shared their memories. Leo said, "Arya, I still love you. I want to be with you." Arya was happy but worried. She said, "Leo, I love you too, but what about my parents? I don't want to upset my mother and father." Leo said, "I have a well-paid job. I earned for my own apartment in the city, and I also saved enough money, and I can support us. If you agree, I will go to your parents and ask them for your hand. I love you and can't imagine my life without you." Arya was touched by Leo's determination. She said, "Leo, I am proud of you. Of course, you may try." Leo replied, "Arya, you are my happiness. I want to be with you." So, next day, Leo went to their native village. He visited his family. Then he went to Arya's parents, talked with them, and asked them for her daughter's hand. Arya's mother and father changed their mind and blessed Leo for marriage with their beloved daughter Arya. So, in a month, Leo and Arya got married in a small ceremony with their family, relatives, and close friends. Both Arya's and Leo's parents were happy for them. Arya's parents understood that Leo was a good and kind young man. Arya and Leo loved each other. Arya moved to Leo's apartment. They lived in the city not far from their native village. They started a new life together. They worked hard, supported each other, and helped their parents. They faced many challenges, but their love kept them strong. They knew that as long as they had each other, they could overcome everything. Years passed, and Leo and Arya built a happy life together. They had 3 children, 1 son and 2 daughters, and taught them the values of love and kindness. They never forgot the challenges they faced, but they knew that true love is strong and can overcome any obstacle. Leo and Arya grew old together. They looked back on their life with pride and happiness. They knew that their love made them better. They were grateful for each other and the life they had built together. And so, ever after, Leo and Arya lived happily. They knew that true love never dies. Their love had made their lives beautiful and meaningful.